It's about Paycom, and it's on how you guys can log in into your Paycom account. So Paycom account is like a payroll. So if you guys do not know what payroll is, then basically you can schedule your payment or attendance, and this thing is gonna pay for it at that date, at that time, whichever you set. Alright, so that's basically its function. So this is like a short description of it. If you guys want to know more about it, you can search it on its website. Alright, so today's video is on how you guys can log in into it. So it's pretty simple to log in into it, but before I teach you guys how you guys can log in into it, you want to go on Google and search for Paycom login. After you search for it, you want to click on where it says Paycom online payroll service HR payroll software. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to Payroll's official website. Now, once you're in this website, basically what you want to do is you want to click on where it says login. After you click on login, it's going to give you these three options, and from these three options, you want to click on the one which account you have. Let's say you have a client account, you want to click on client. If you are employed, then you want to click on employee. And if you have an accountant account, you want to click on accountant. Let's say I'm client, so I'm going to click on client to log in into my client account. Alright. Now, once I click on it, it's going to take me to the page where I can log in as a client. Now, once I'm over here, I need to enter my client code, my username, and my password. After entering this, once I click on login, I should be able to log in into my client account. And the information you need to type over here is different according to the different accounts. So if I go to accountant login page, then it's going to ask me for another information. If I go to my employee login page, then it's going to ask me for another information. Alright. So choose whichever one you want to log in into and enter the information it asks you for. And if you enter the correct information, you should be able to log in into your account. So hope you guys were able to understand the video.